मुझे तो उनकी जोड़ी बहुत अच्छी लग रही है. एंड आई थिंक आपको कैसी लग रही है? आपको कैसी लग रही है? बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो. हाँ, मंत्र मुक्त. मंत्र मुक्त का क्या मतलब होता है? हेलो, स्पेल बाउंड. हाँ, मैं भी. In the future, see, listen, I'm not that kind of person who wants to say something very negative about all of Pakistan. I do understand the merit right now in the fact that there is some kind of discord between the two countries, and I definitely feel that the film industry has to stand with the industry on that note. So in this current climate, the answer is no. But many years from now, if the situation changes, it might be a different answer. No, I feel that I understand that. I feel like there is a certain nationalist sentiment when your country is, has a discord with another country, and I don't think there's anything wrong with standing up for your country in a moment like that or taking a side. For me, it wasn't forced at all. Like I feel like if someone in my family has a fight with someone, I would stand on the side of my family. I feel entirely the same way about the country. सीरियल्स बैन हो गए हैं? कौन किस के? What can I say? That's their country, it's their decision. They need to do what they need to do. I think that Indian serials and Indian movies have enough of an audience in Indians and other people in the world, so that's fine. A brand moving away from a star? No, not at all. Not at all. I think that a star's value comes maybe from his movies. I don't think that brands have anything to do with it. Not for me, at least, at all. Why? But why did you ask me this question? A story on? Oh, I have to come to you. Oh God. Okay. I'm not sure. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. नहीं. फोन करूँ मैं? मिल लोगे आप यार? अभी तो फिल्म की रिलीज है. I'll go. Did you check my?
Hello, how are you? Well, very excited. We constantly talk about film festivals in other countries, and it's great that we have something of this scale and with such wonderful films playing in our city. So I think it's absolutely brilliant, and I'm really, really happy to be here. जी 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 इसके बारे में अभी कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा मैं. कुछ नहीं कहना चाहूँगा. मामी के बारे में कुछ सवाल हैं तो पूछ लीजिए आप. हाँ जी, पूछिए. हाँ, तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि उसके बारे में नहीं बात करना चाहता. उसके अलावा अगर कोई सवाल है तो बताइए मुझे. आपने सवाल ही ऐसा पूछा कि पलटना पड़ा. Well, I've got 3 films up for release. One is called Veeram, which is based on Macbeth. It's a trilingual Hindi, English, Malayalam. There's another film which is up for release called Dear Zindagi. And finally, I'm doing another film with Tigmanshu Dhulia, which is called Rag Desh. And that should be up for release next year. So lots of work. जी. No, not necessarily. I mean, brands choose endorsers for different reasons. And, you have somebody who's there for 1 year, and then you have somebody else who's there for another year. So I don't think it really makes a difference. Well, I don't think you get removed. I mean, you're contractually bound for a couple of years. And once the contract's over and done with, then you move on and the brand moves on as well. So I don't think that's something that you should take very personally. Well, that's something you'll have to ask Karan. That's something I don't have an answer for. Right. Right. Well, honestly, I wouldn't like to comment on this simply because anything that anybody says gets sensationalized and taken out of context. So I think it's best to avoid saying anything about this at this point of time. And I think enough has been said anyway. Right. No, I'm not concerned. I'm sure the producers will, do what needs to be done. Whatever is best for the film, I'm sure they will do. So I'm not concerned at all. Right, thank you.
Hi. मामी, आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि मुंबई में भी अपना एक ओरिजिनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल हर साल इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा होता जा रहा है, इतना पॉपुलर होता जा रहा है, एंड आई होप इट becomes at par with all the other global film festivals. Yeah.
What do you feel about it?
Come now, please. I feel that मुझे लगता है कि एक फिल्म की रिलीज से अगर टेररिज्म ख़त्म हो जाता तो हम बहुत सारी फिल्में पहले भी बैन कर सकते थे. There's a problem, it's terrorism. Let's address that. Oh, shit, so sorry.
Well done. You can use this one.
Bhukamp. Thanks, Sumit. So as I was saying, अगर हम एक फ़िल्म की रिलीज़ से इतना घबराएंगे तो क्या हम ये कह रहे हैं कि हमें अपनी सरकार में विश्वास नहीं? क्या हमारी सरकार इस इशू को हैंडल करने के काबिल नहीं कि हम फिल्मों को स्केपगोट बनाएंगे या ब्लेम करेंगे? अगर फिल्म बैन होती है तो हमारी इकोनॉमी को नुकसान है. No, I'm saying if we are going to keep questioning a film, then what are we really in a position to question our government? Because the government is very capable. They did the surgical strike. They did what they had to. They sent out a clear message. So why focus on a film? What is a film in the larger scheme of things? हाँ जी, प्लीज़ इस मुद्दे पे तभी सवाल पूछें अगर आपको लगता है कि कुछ नई बात आने वाली है, वरना बोर मत करिए. हाँ, क्या हम पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं या हम हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं? अगर हम हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं तो हमें पाकिस्तान की नकल करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? I hope you get that. Can we move on? मामी की बात करते हैं. अच्छी दोस्त रह चुकी हूँ. मैंने बोला इस इशू पे 2 सवाल मैंने जवाब दे दिए. आपको शायद इतना और कोई बोलेगा भी नहीं, इसलिए बोर मत करिए प्लीज़. शॉर्ट फिल्म, वो एक थ्रिलर शॉर्ट फिल्म है, मैंने मिलाप के लिए की, तो अभी आ जाएगी कुछ दिनों में. मैंने अभी नहीं देखी है. थ्रिलर है, काफ़ी डार्क है, इतना ही बता सकती हूँ. एक प्यारी सी लड़की का किरदार है बस. या Thanks for asking me, Mihir, because I really think it's a genius idea to revive a historic structure like the Opera House. I've lived in Bombay for so many years and I hadn't visited it even once. So I think it's a great idea. Thank you.